Behind of us we see the Pipistrel Veles Elektro, is a full electric aircraft which is used for a research project at the FH Aachen, funded by the Ministry of Transport of the state of North Rhine-Westphalia. Now the research project is to optimize the propeller in aeroacoustics, aerodynamics and structure. We need the CAD file of the aircraft so we can make simulations with CFD tools and also our in-house tool called PropCode.
The most important was to scan the propeller with a high resolution, to scan the body of the plane in order to have the aerodynamics, and also to have the wings and the flaps in 3 different positions in order to be able to simulate it afterwards in our software.
For realizing this project, we have today a cooperation between ASAP and Shining 3D. The 3D scanning of a whole aircraft is very challenging, so why we choose these companies to collaborate with them.
The propeller and the wings were scanned with the UE Nova, meaning the 2 combinations between the scanner and the tracker in order to get the best accuracy possible. We also use dynamic referencing in order for us to move around the plane and be able to be as flexible as possible without having any cables to slow us down. One of the key advantages for scanning and for digitizing an object is that you will see a copy of the identical object in time, meaning that if any changes happen, you're able to identify it or you're able to simulate, and you can go further with the research and development of such objects. I think it was a great day, a stressful day, but a really nice day because we got the data that we need. We have the whole airplane. We got the STL, we have the wings, we have in different positions, we have the propeller, which is really important for the project. We have the body of the aircraft with high details, and it's ready to be simulated in other software, so we are able to proceed with the project.
Please visit our website, 3dwonders.com. If you have any question or want to see a demo, send us a message and we'll get back to you.